So this is Miyakojima Airport.
Miyazaki?
Oh, Miyazaki. Miyakojima na Miyazaki. Sorry, because last year we've been in Miyakojima. So here is Miyazaki. Hi! Hello everyone, dito kami ngayon ni Daddy sa Sinta, Unino Sinta Konoita here in Yamazaki. Ang makikita niyo yung one time report. Yan ang Unino Sinta Konoita. So let's go everyone. Kahapon kasi everyone, maraming tubig, so hindi natin makita masyado yung view ng... Nani?
明日朝ごはん7時だよ。
Hello everyone. Thank you so much Guam. At talagang we have fun here. Ang ganda ng dagat. We enjoy the beach, the foods, the surrounding, the view. And hope makabalik kami dito ni Daddy and our specialty here. Thank you so much and this is beauty to them. Ilang? Dalawa te. Okay, salamat. Thank you Daddy. Shopping. Salamat. Let's go. Oo. Ang daming Pilipino dito sa Guam.
Basta ito ng Pilipino.
Kaya nga, parang nasa Pinas din ako. Bye-bye.
Rainbow Bridge.
Rainbow Bridge, may kaway siya. Tapos yung turitay. Ito yung Liberty, oh. Dari ang Rainbow Bridge. Hey! Rainbow Bridge. So are here, everyone. And the black egg is there. Talagang dumi talaga yung black egg everyone here in Uwakudan. So we're here. Actually, I take a video kanina at biglang nag-collapse siya at biglang nawala. So, we are here. And you can see the beautiful view here. Ooh. Look, ikono dali. Let's go inside. Okay. Nandito kami sa hibiyan ni Daddy. Anak kita namin itong mga cutie-cutie tanoke. So cute. So we can take a video everyone. I think we can take a video here in Planetarium. So yeah, have fun. At makakita pala tayo ng Arabian Nights. So pwede pala akong mag-video. So para pakita.
右手側、肘掛けの下に黒いレバーがございます。